Okay guys, welcome back to Real Life Exotic, and please don't forget about giveaway. One more week and we're gonna give away 2 badges and $1,000. Please like and subscribe and share my account. Thank you. Okay guys, pretty much done. I'm gonna install the bumper right now. I installed the headlight. This is original headlight. This one is used when we bought it. All radiators is brand new. Air ducts is brand new. Front is pretty much as simple than back. So I'm gonna install the bumper right now. I bought a bumper used for $5,000. Yeah, and I put in parking sensor. And what else? Like some side marker lights. Okay, bumpers came out pretty much $6 grand, a little bit maybe less. So frame is done perfectly, properly. Hood close, normal, like supposed to be easily. I don't wanna close it because I have to open because battery. I unplugged the battery, and right now I'm about to install the bumper. Okay guys, all suspension is ready, done. I have to put in one bracket, one small bracket, but mostly everything done. And all air ducts done, fender liners, all brand new one. I believe one of the used one, only one of them, but on a perfect condition. And right now I'm gonna install the around the front box covers. That's pretty much how it looks like Ferrari without covers, you know. It's exactly the same, you know. Okay guys, car is done, 99%. I just installed all gravel panels, and I just put in the wheel. This wheel is temporary because usually this car has black wheels. We're gonna repaint it very soon. And I have alignment. We're going to alignment right now to do alignment, and after alignment I have to do detail, like all small stuff, you know, and put in the trunk box, the plastic trunk box. So finally this car is done. Guys, driving to alignment, and car kind of driving not really good because it's on the side, like, you know, like sitting on the side, and I didn't have a time to install airbag. But when I get back to my shop, I'm gonna install it, and we're gonna do all details. So car drive normally, but except the steering, I have to fix it and finish it. And I have to bleed the brake because I can feel it's not that perfect, the brakes. So I'm a little bit late to alignment. I have to be hurry. Guys, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching, you know, stay tuned. By the way guys, I'm driving on this car first time. After accident I'm driving first time, because we never drive, because the whole harness wireless, they cut it off like a big piece. So and I put it in new one, and I mean used one, and everything works fine. So I'm gonna finish it, and I'm gonna show you how it drive. I'm gonna do drive test after alignment. He said it's supposed to be green, so I don't care. Okay, everything looks clean, right?
Yeah, perfect. Better than the dealership.
Yeah, better than the dealership. Dealer losers.
Ferrari dealer in Italy can't do this, man.
Yes, it's like perfect. Okay guys, I'm gonna install the diffuser, carbon fiber diffuser, factory OEM, and car pretty much done, you know, like I have to, we just buff the car, and car like shining and looks sick, and we did alignment, everything done. So I'm gonna install the diffuser. All lights is gone already, no more lights on the dashboard, I mean warning lights. So, and this car, by the way, it's sold, you know, to my friend. Let me test it. Let me test the backup camera and third brake light. Guys, looks sick with the carbon side skirts, with the carbon air dogs, with the carbon fog lights covers, and with the carbon diffuser. I love it. Okay guys, I'm installing the headlight, windshield washer pipe and sprinkles. I totally forgot, and I just found out the bad hood, and there is all this stuff, so I have to install it. Okay guys, I'm so tired. I'm almost done with the car. Almost. Car is a little bit dirty. But they are already here, so let's meet up. Let's pick it up. They came pick it up the car. I'm explaining you guys. What's up?
What's up, bro? Hey. What's happening, bro?
What's going on, sir?
Я вонючий, потный, заходите.
Guy.
I got
What's up,
you,
bro?
Hey. Got your little present.
Thank you.
Yeah, come stand
Давай сначала закончим, а потом.
Okay, go for it.
Окей. Ну, я снимаю. Тут раз мы не снимаем, знаешь? Я тебя правда говорю. I mean, I have to feel, I'm very close.
Go
Super
for it.
close.
Go for it. Oh man.
Yeah, we're a little early, man, so look.
Just walk around, check it out.
She's a beauty.
Bro. You got that metallic like sparkle? That's sick. That's really cool. So we'll be able to know the difference. Sure.
Когда-нибудь видите меня, я чищу. Только на камеру.
This guy. Yeah, buddy.
Love them.
Сейчас мы... Просто знаешь, что я сказал, еще у меня есть время.
I know.
А мне еще есть время.
You got 20 minutes,
Я
bro.
тоже волки под капотом сейчас сделал.
Oh man. That peanut butter color.
Dude, that color, the interior is so sick. Love it. Very you. That's for sure.
Снимай, Валера, где он там? Снимай. Иди сюда, блин.
That's the guy right there, dude.
Oh man.
That's my little brother. He's got to have his own go-kart.
You ain't gonna share his, huh? You're not gonna share yours, are you?
Nah.
Oh man, sick. Sick. Alright, well in that case come over here. I got Serge a little gift. I'm gonna video it before he sees it.
Еще одно.
I'm right here. I'm not gonna show him yet. No risk, no Ferrari, baby. That's what it's all about. Love it. Love it.
Look at that.
That's this black color. Has that
It's a
little
metal-
That's the metallic, yeah. Bro. I mean, you know, ain't as low as mine and everything, but
I'm fine.
Something that's wrong.
I gotta have something.
I think I feel like yours is a little bit too
Too low?
yeah, too grounded. I'm fine with
No, that one, hey, that's maximum we can.
That's
Because
the
this
low.
car has-
That's the lowest
Yeah,
you
because
can go?
we have to replace the springs.
If you want to go low?
Yeah, if you want to.
I'm good. I feel like your car's
It's not
slow.
expensive. Oh, check it out, they have diffuser.
Dude, that diffuse. Look, check this out. You got this carbon fiber right here, this side skirt, heck of freaking tall. And then, dude, the diffuser.
Oh man.
Okay,
That's sick. That's sick.
I just sold.
Look at that.
Так мне нравится, знаешь?
How do you turn that on? Как ты
Давай
его
такого мы не сделали.
Dude,
No!
how do you do it?
Вот честно, я по-моему, я не думал, что ты видел там, честно, я не думал, да, это именно так проходит, там.
Wait, you're just turn on? That light, you can't use the second light. No, you can't have it on, but my light, I can turn on.
Oh man.
Yeah.
We're going driving.
What?
Are you excited?
faster than yours?
No.
No.
Just a little bit. Его будет после него lighter.
Because I'm the older brother.
You think, no, he's heavier than I am. He's 190 pounds. I'm 180.
I'm 185, bro. Actually, I'm 180 by now. I got that.
Even the center console.
Center console,
Okay,
all this.
okay, 2800 just this piece. Это я, I can get, man, с этого.
Oh man. Fuck, it's already in turbo mode. Should I keep it that way?
No, you should take
Тебе
it
вообще
off.
нельзя.
Fuck, I did read on. Somebody told me that there's a launch or something like that.
Yes,
Launch mode.
And somebody else told me that you're
Don't
gonna show,
touch it.
You're gonna show me how to do it.
No.
You're gonna show me
You're
how
gonna kill
to
yourself.
launch this puppy right here. Do you have this little console, little up thing?
Что? У него
у меня нету.
у него по-другому. Спайдера.
Spider, that's cool.
А, там тоже идет то, вот эти штучки тоже идут.
What do you have?
Вот это не все идут. У тебя и у него есть.
USB?
Yeah, I have this part. I don't have this part though. That's you, bro.
You probably don't have this launch either, do you?
Но
I
есть.
do.
No, you don't. But you don't know how to use it though.
You don't either. You won't know how to use it until you get.
Вот, стоп, оставь так.
Get to a
Оставь,
jack
мне
shit.
надо все поставить сейчас. Хорошо, что ты...
Launch, baby.
Это нужно после этого.
Oh man.
Почему я так захотел снять?
Oh, this thing is sick.
Значит, я его сделаю.
Oh, I love this.
Бывает такое. Даже на парковках могут. Ну,
Really?
в плохом районе, да. Dude, looks sick, I love it. Посмотри, как это лайтинг. Мне просто вот это такое, like, попка такая.
What about the? How do you do the yellow? Чтобы было это? Or is that на ключу, если нажимаешь, тогда оно?
Да, на ключу, на ключу.
На ключу, yeah.
How you like it, man?
Dude, sick. Sick. Can't believe it. Oh man.
It is salvage or all clean title?
It's a perfect Ferrari right here. Love it.
Я их называю clean salvage.
I love it.
Clean
Love
salvage.
it.
No, looks sick, man. Только не разбейте.
But then again,
Капец. Выруливай туда.
That way.
Вау, ты видел, когда она низко? Бро, какие они красивые. Посмотри, они как ла Ferrari, да, такие?
Yeah.
Как чики-чики, короче. Мы еще знаешь, что сделаем?
Love it.
Another car sold. Another baby leave my hospital.
Ferrari number 2, baby. Here we go. Oh man. Sick. Yeah.
Guys, right now it's 1:27 morning and guys just left. They gonna tested the car. We just sold it, so this car I fixed for them also, and the Spider they bought it from me, so they're really happy. I make them happy. So thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe. Please like and subscribe. Stay tuned.
Sick.
You like it?
I love it. This thing is just.
Okay, tell me, you happy?
Oh man. Super.
Вау. Dude, вы это показывали, clear bro.
Bro, please like and subscribe
Yes, guys, please like and subscribe.
and stay safe, okay?
And stay tuned also. Давай, man. Baller. Давай.